So let's take a look at what's in edition 2 of iPadmonthly.com. We start with a fantastic lesson using Explain Everything and the website Would You Rather to conduct a math battle or a justification. Fantastic idea. We've got curriculum links, we've got pedagogical tips, but most importantly, and where I think iPadmonthly.com really shines, is the video teacher tutorial that takes you step by step through the actual learning experience so that you can do it first before the kids, your students, do it. If we move on to lesson 2, fantastic lesson by guest teacher, the amazing Craig Smith, who talks about using Minecraft to create a peaceful, happy place for their students. And this is a fantastic lesson for those students in your class that are really challenging, that really need that calming influence, and to use technology in a way to bring about that, which is fantastic. Craig's once again done this fantastic personalised tutorial just for subscribers of iPadmonthly.com. Then we jump into lesson 3, where we look at customising a graph, a maths graph, to insert into an infographic. So we're using 2 apps here. We're using Keynote, and we're also using the wonderful Canva app, which is fantastic. Lots of curriculum links, once again, video tutorial by myself, which I think you'll find step by step really easy to go through. Lesson 4 just gets better and better. We've got Richard Wells, fantastic teacher whose use of hopscotch and coding apps is legendary, and he talks us through a computer game. Fantastic. Once again, Richard's done a video tutorial just for us, which is fantastic. Then we jump into some thinking routines to make thinking visible using Book Creator, a fantastic activity that you can do from anywhere from 4-year-olds right through to 13, 14, 15, 16-year-olds. A fantastic lesson to get kids actually thinking about their environment and what's going on around them. Video tutorial. And then we look at one of my favorite apps, a world-building app called Topia, where we use it as a stimulus for creative writing. We're using it as a creative writing prompt, if you like. I've done this with my students in the past, and the results have been amazing. So it's certainly a lesson that I'm really proud of to finish off. And once again, a really explicit, specific video tutorial just for you. We thank our guest authors, and we've got some links there, Twitter links to both Richard and Craig's Twitter usernames. We've got upcoming events that are really specific to do with iPad conferences and EdTech conferences from United States to South Africa to Australia. Some wonderful resources. And these are all extensions on what we've done in edition 1 of iPadmonthly.com. So we've got some wonderful online resources there, and we also take a look at the next edition, which will feature more amazing educators, and taking a look at some apps like Google Slides, which have just had a fantastic new update so we can insert images and so forth. So look, wonderful, 6 amazing lessons by different educators from around the world, real Australian, New Zealand flavour for this one. But once again, this is going to come straight to inboxes on the 1st of every month. And this is edition 2, about to come out in the next couple of days. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.